Hey, welcome back. We're playing some more nobodies. So we did some of our side missions last time, so... Oh, you're not gonna read it? Fine. Asset number 1080. A synthetic virus is only as dangerous as it is contagious. To that end, kill 100 enlisted help of Dr. Lucian Beaumont, a brilliant epidemiologist with many more talents than scruples. Beaumont conducted his research out of a life sciences museum in Toulouse, where he so recently met his overdue end. Do the light doctor a favor and scrub up for him. There's some big words in there. Alright. A map. Oh god, it's gonna be a big one. It's bigger than the Pizzaplex. Afternoon. Hello. Aren't you tired of standing there? I'm not getting tired of a paycheck. I missed what he said. Not many people today. It's been slow for weeks. Why is that? Look around, this place is snooze fest. There's a ton of them right in front of you. Right, thanks. Oh my god, look, no, stop. Enjoy your visit. Classic museum scam right here. What happened? Why couldn't I? No! Stop! No. Ah. Look. This plant. Let's go in the men's restroom. Okay, now, stop. Oh, look, it's big dude and little kid. Hi there. Hi. That's not a crocodile. Hang on. That is not what a crocodile looks like. Its snout is way too small. I'm looking at images of crocodiles right now and their snouts are long. That is not a crocodile. That is some mutant lizard. The museum is lying to you, kid. I thought this was an alligator. Alligators also have long snouts. Oh, I'm seeing a baby alligator. It's so cute. That is not an alligator. I wish there was voice acting. Oh, strangers. Yeah, don't follow strangers. Especially if they're purple. No, let me leave. Let me leave. Oh, thank God. Hey, snakes. If it is supposed to be a crocodile, that does not look like a crocodile. Can I stop the kid? Can I become the man behind the slaughter? Can I legally change my name to William Afton? Hey, kid! You want to go backstage with me? Because you're a criminal! No! Alright, upstairs time. Woo! I don't have a coin, so what do I have to go in? Caveman. And a human woman. Nice caveman. Yes, I don't want to talk to you anymore. Guess he was something of a scientist himself. No, not again! What have I done? No! No! Well, I have no idea what I did, but I somehow broke the game. Let's try that again. From the top. It's locked. Alright, now is the point. I have to use the... Hey! Oh. You've presented me with switches. You have no idea what you've done. Where even was the body? I didn't even get to see the body. So what's even the point of that? You know what that did for me? Nothing. It didn't do diddly darn squat. You know what? I am going to break this machine. I cannot break this machine. Can I kill you? That doesn't seem to work. What do you mean that doesn't seem to work? B1. What happens if we turn out a power beam? Hey! Gee, it's kind of dark in here. Do you not know? Alright. We reset the breakers, eh? What if I reset the power to F3? F2. What does this help me with? What am I doing? Let's go turn off the lights. my darn huge fingers. Be close. What is this even helping me do?
Let me guess. It's an X.
Nope.
2 X's.
It's
What am I supposed to do? Wait, hang on. Wait a minute, wait. According to this handy dandy map, there is a room right behind me. Why am I not allowed in that room? Is the room above me second floor or first floor? Getting utterly confused. Why is this map so confusing? Turn off the breakers and not free. What? Who keeps resetting them? Oh my god. I have a perfect plan. B1. Yoink. I am such a good criminal. You know what? Fair enough. Fair enough. Keycard. The keycard noticed the guard was missing. Yoink. Access card. Oh god, access card. Let me in. Take key card. Here. Goodbye. Hello. You have been stabbed, good sir. Allow me to remove you. Yes, all this stuff. What's even in there? Okay, I think there's supposed to be something around here that can help me. Do I have to try spelling out nightfall? Okay, yes. Could you move or something? No! Fair enough. That was fair enough. I didn't want you to see the body anyways. What did I get? MasterCard. Ooh, squirrel. Let's look. I genuinely did not want to see that. Enter. I need a hose. That's a syringe. Who kills a turtle in the first place? Formal? What does this thing do? Do you think I know how science works? I'm not something of a scientist myself. Alright. MasterCard. Can I stab you? Why is your hair a physical object? Yeah, I should stop.
Hey, what's up, everyone? Danny Lightning
No
here. I'm
one
playing on my
cares
phone
about
today.
your
We're on the
existence.
War Robots
I suppose he's using the same recording software as me. I don't know whether I should respect him. There was a coin in the water, and it expected me to just a sex product. Hey, I like chocolate. Why are there foods just called yum? Hey! I have candy for you, kid. You want some candy? If you go into the back room, I'll give it to you. I'm giving him candy. Why wouldn't you do that? I'm all out of coins. Oh, now I gotta go get a different kind of candy. What does this kid like? Is it C2? Is it C1? No, I wanted C1, not B1. This thing is broken. Yes, okay, yes, yes. Ooh, so cool. I need some more coins. I need some chocolate. Oh, we do still have a coin. Alright, I see you. B4. What is the hardest puzzle in this world? This darn candy machine. Eat my coin. Give me. Definitely a free. It's free. Alright. Take the coin, shove it in the machine. Free? What? Now it's... What? Oh my god, it's so annoying. Why can't I just take all the coins? I don't want to keep running back here. C2. So the opposite of C2? Wouldn't it be B1? That was a very small brain moment. Take the coin, go to the machine, punch the machine because I hate this thing. What is the solution? A2. Holy crap, I know how to do this! Okay, get coin, go back up. Wonder how no one's noticed me yet. Oh, okay, D2. My life is pure pain. Oh, my life is a suffering. I hate this machine. If I had a minigun, this machine would just be a couple pieces of scraps on the ground. I hate this machine more than the most hateable character in any work of fiction. I hate this machine more than any living person. Living or dead. Anyone. They don't even come close to being as hateable as this vending machine. This vending machine has caused me nothing but pure, unbridled, uncooked pain. C3? No! Alright, you know what? We're just gonna have to try every combination. Every combination. You want? Alright. A2. Alright, we're getting close. A3. Okay, no, I don't need mints. There's not that many combinations. A4. Okay, no, I don't need chips. Let's move on to the B's. Wait, no. B1. B2. No, I don't want fruity whatever. I want chocolate. Did I try B2? Let's just say I did. Be free. No. Why? Alright, it just gave me some yum. This isn't very yum. Oh my god, I already tried B4. Oh my god. C1. Okay, no. C2. C3. Alright, just give me some chips. How have they not noticed me taking the coins? Are they not questioning, why is this guy taking so many coins? What's a gonf? Can someone tell me what the heck a gonf is? Please, I will tag you. I will hurt you and tag you in the comments if you tell me what a gonf is. I did it! Finally, the pain is over. I did it. I did it. Kid, take the chocolate. Yeah, you've earned it. Actually, you haven't earned it. That chocolate bar should have been mine. Do you know how hard it was to get a chocolate bar? What do I even use the gum for? What is the purpose of the gum? Can I put the gum in there? That doesn't seem to work. What do I do? There's gotta be something to the book. Place conserves. All cavity to avoid flow of fluids. Secure from out to prevent possible contamination. Step 2. Make a incision in a vein and extract all blood. Step 3. Inject embalming solution into an artery. This solution is most commonly mixed with hydrate and dye similar in color to blood. Oh, thank you. I didn't need to know that. That and everything you just told me was useless. Useless crap. What do I even use this gum for? Lady, would you like some gum? Open up! Drink. Never mind, I hate you. What's the book save form was used for? No, looking book. I need red dyes. I've got an idea! I'm gonna have to be quick about it. D3. Syringe. Oh. You're no fun. What do I do with all these items? The kid is gone. He's disappeared. What do I do? Wait a minute. Wow. Oh my god. Why is this museum level actually so infuriating? First, there's the freaking... That vending machine, and now there's all this. Red dye. Where do I get red dye? Where do I get red dye in a museum? Do one of the cavemen have like fake blood on them? Do I get it from them? Where do I get the... Wait a minute, what was that? What was that? I have no idea what that is. Yes, I too like adequate fire safety. Oh, you're happy for us to stay behind the glass? Well, too. Oh. Just a table. You embalms a turtle unless it's for a certain reason that benefits me. Seriously, where do I go? do I do from here? There's a key card, but I probably don't even need that. Oh, so I can't touch that specific one. Does the body look anything like it? I wonder. Kinda does. Okay, I am certain there is something. The letter will tell me, unless it's always like that. No. That letter has a purpose. Let me read it. How am I gonna solve this now? Oh my god. What do I do? Wait a minute. Isaac got some off. Hang on. But Isaac Asimov written. 1942. Is the thing Okay, you know what? We still have a bunch of books. A ton of books. Oh, what's that? 1985. Is it 1985? First 5 letters. Hang on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Holy crap. Alright, I know what we need to do. Writing dates, you know what? I think the month goes first, so, January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, 092085. Alright. Well, we've got one more book. I, Robot. What am I supposed to do with all this?
Let me guess. It's an axe.
Nope.
I would like an axe. To break open that safe. Hey, lady. That is music. 8. Thanks. What do I do with all this? What can you people tell me? So. Hey. Give me, I don't know, tell me how to do this. I want to know, how do I go behind me? Hang on, let me try and figure this out. No. You know, this guy has a lot of books about Asimov. So. I'm in. Keys! Am I recording? Am I recording? I'm recording. Keys! Unlocked. Let me in, brother. Cartridges at table! Of those caveman gloves. Hey, I've got some cartridges right here. Never mind. You don't want my cartridges. Way too good. How do I put this on myself?
Hey, what's up, everyone? Danny Lightning here. I'm playing on my phone today. We're on the War Robots re.
And I have some caveman clothes. Wait a minute, wait a minute, wait a minute! Cartridges? What do I do? Magenta syringe. Oh my god, what two colors make red? What two colors make red? Magenta and yellow! How do I empty the syringe? I know. Just dump it out down the sink. Magenta. Red syringe. Put that in the thing. What do you mean that doesn't seem to work? Let me read the book. Alright, I gotta go all the way back and grab a bar. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. What hose? What do you mean your body isn't connected to the machine? How do I connect it to the machine? Yes, how do I prepare you? What do you mean the body isn't connected to the machine? It is connected! What am I doing wrong? Oh. Insert. Alright. We're gonna do it formal. Oh my god. What am I doing wrong? Oh. Oh! Connect with... No! What am I doing wrong? Just dump this on him. What do I do? Book! Help me! One artery. I used the syringe on him. No, what have I done? Oh god, what have I done? Can I put the gloves on him? No. What am I doing wrong? Stop that. It's connected. Trying to put the container down. Oh my god, yes, extract. Just dump it down the sink. That's what I do. Okay, yes, okay. Wait, no, give me back. Give me. Formal. Insert. Yes. Body has been extracted. But I put it in. What have I done wrong? God, so I gotta do that beginning part. Oh, magenta. red. What am I doing wrong? This Papa's didn't want to. No. Oh my god. Why is this so hard? Let me try and figure this out.
Turn it up.
Let's go in the store. Hang on, let me do some more searching. Let me try. What if I put the formal in there? Insert. It's for body ready. He looks taxidermied or whatever we did to him. What is left to do? What have we not done? Wisconsin swabs no cavity to avoid flow fluids. Where do I get the swabs? What swabs are you talking about? You gotta give me what? No, what am I doing? Why can't I figure out what I'm doing? Oh my god. What am I doing wrong, guys? Yes, can... Do I have to do all that again? Put the red swing in the thing. How do I steal him? Can I use my uniform? Gave my gloves. Hey, can someone give me a swab? Does anyone know if the swabs are? Is there a first aid kit in here? Tell me there's a first aid kit. No, there isn't. Where else am I supposed to get swabs? Good sir, do you have a first aid kit in here? Anywhere? Good sir. Well, at least the gum had a purpose. Is he ready? Yes, okay, he's emballed. Alright. Put him in. Put him with caveman. You take coconut. No, we're gonna just keep singing. Okay, keep singing to make the things go faster. You take coconut, you take banana. Put them together, what do you get? Bowling ball. I'm not even gonna put anything back, just exit. Let me exit, please. Yes.
How gracious of you to allow the late Dr. Beaumont to donate his body to science. No doubt he appreciates it, or at least a more ethical scholar would. With Beaumont's death, Q-100 has no hope of completing a bioweapon to deploy their cockamamie mind-controlled chemicals. However, this fact may drive them to unleash lesser pathogens in an act of desperation. We must disrupt their ability to do so. More to come.
I don't even care that I didn't put... Oh my god. You know, I'm just gonna end it off here. Goodbye, everyone.